Hello kiddos! Today I'm going to be showing you what transition words are, and I also have a little project or an example that I made in second grade while I was learning about transition words. And I thought it would be a great example and it would be better for you guys to understand with this little project. So transition words can be anything like first, next, then, finally, but, because, also, and it could keep on going and on and on. So if we take a look at my example, it says the title is How to Build a Snowman. First, I rolled 3 balls, small, medium, and big. And in this mini little sentence, the transition word would be first, and it represents the starting of something. Next, put the balls on top, start with big, medium, and small. The transition word in this sentence would be next, which represents that this is next up. Then add some eyes, mouth, and a nose. I used rocks for my eyes and a mouth, a carrot nose too. And in this sentence, the transition word would be then. And it would say that you need to also add this and stuff like that. Finally, give it a hat, scarf, arms, and mittens. That is how you build a snowman. In this little sentence, the transition word would be finally. And it says that this is the end of this big paragraph or something. So for a little summary, transition words are mainly used to link together different phrases and words. And also, transition words can't only be first, next, then, and finally. It could be like, so, because, and also. And I hope you guys like this little project which Mrs. Lewis and Mrs. Hall taught me all about transition words. A big thanks to them. And I made this in second grade with my great teachers. I hope you guys like this mini little project. I hope it helped you. And if you like this little project, comment below. And I hope you guys learn what transition words means. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!